Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Good evening, everyone. Happy birthday, my princess. Happy birthday, Liza Habibi. How's your party, Langga? Everyone enjoyed? Everyone happy on your birthday? Mashallah, Alhamdulillah. Baby, as I have said, Daddy didn't make it to be with you today on your birthday because Daddy has work. Daddy work here in Riyadh for family, right? Okay, but of course, Daddy will give you some message. Okay, message to my dear princess, Princess Alexa. Okay, I want you to hear it, baby. Okay, listen carefully. My dear princess, Princess Alexa. Today you turn 6, and my heart is so full just thinking about the amazing little person you are becoming. 6 years ago, you came into this world and gave my life a whole new meaning. Our life, you and your mom. Since then, every day with you has been a beautiful adventure. Together, mommy, daddy, and baby Lexa. You are brave, kind, and full of wonder. The way you laugh, the way you ask questions, and the way you see the world reminds me how magical life truly is. Never stop being curious, never stop dreaming big, and always remember that it is okay to make mistakes because that is how we learn and grow. Always remember that, baby. As you turn 6, I want you to know something very important. You are deeply, deeply, deeply loved. Me and your mom. No matter where life takes you, no matter how big you grow, you will always have a place in our heart, mommy and daddy, that no one else can ever feel. Remember this always, baby. Keep shining, keep smiling, and keep being wonderful child that you are. The world is brighter. See, remember this, baby. The world is brighter because you are in it. Okay? You are in it. Happy 6th birthday, my love, my princess, my dearest Alexa Habibi. I will always be here for you. We are always be here for you, mommy and daddy, cheering you, guiding you, and loving you most every single day. Love you so much, my dear princess. Love, daddy. And of course, before I end, I would like to say also thank you to your mom, Thank you, Mommy, for taking care of our princess, Princess Alexa. We love you both. Daddy love you both. Love you both so much. Enjoy. Bye.